are called?
2D shapes.
Very good. These are called 2D shapes. Okay, who can tell me the shapes down here? What shapes these are called? Tamilo?
3D shapes.
Okay, 3D shapes. Very good. Who can give me, Tristan, what did you say? Geometric shapes. Okay, we can call them 3D or geometric. Okay, who can tell me what are the differences of these two? Newton.
That those have volume, those don't have volume.
Okay, these are what? Flat. Okay, they do take up some space, but they're flat. These ones take up volume, which means what? Who can tell me what that means? Willis. Okay, they do have faces, but what does it mean that it takes up volume? Something takes up volume. What does that mean, Carmen?
They take up space.
Very good. It takes up what?
Space. A lot of space.
A lot of space. Okay, so Willis, you said faces. So these have what? What do these have? Sides. I'm going to tell you a shape, and you're going to tell me how many vertices they have. Okay? So let's triangle. Who can show me how many vertices it has? Good. Good job. Good job, Alejandro. Okay, great. Okay, put them down. Okay, what was the number?
3.
3. Okay, because remember the vertices. 1. Okay, so it had 3 vertices. Okay, let's go through another shape. Hexagon. How many sides or vertices does it have?
8.
Think about the hexagon. Calandra, think about your choice. If you're not sure, you need to look and count. Alejandro, look and count. Natalie? Willis? Okay, what was our answer?
6.
Okay, put it down, please. Okay, you should have had 6. Remember, look at your vertices. Okay, 1. How many?
6.
I'm going to tell you these, and I want you to tell me the number of sides. Okay, we're going to do it very quickly. Okay, here we go. Rhombus or a diamond? Rhombus or diamond? How many? Show me. Good, Carmen. Show me. Rhombus or diamond? How many sides does it have? Tristan, you should know.
4.
Shh. Okay. Alejandro, pick it up. Show me. Okay, very good. What's our answer?
4.
4. Rhombus or diamond has how many?
4.
Okay. What about the octagon? Octagon. Shh. Good, Tristan. Good. Good, Eric. Good job. Alejandro, look at what you're pointing to. There you go. Okay, good job. Okay, put him down. Okay, triangle, triangle. Okay, put him down. Okay. Okay, first we're doing letters. Eric? Okay, here we go. First letter, show me the letter C. C. Alejandro, where's C? Alejandro, I can't see. Thank you. Show me the letter A. A. Calandra, I can't see. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to show you some pictures. And I want you to show me the letter that that picture starts with. The beginning sound, okay? So here we go. Okay, Eric, you don't have a beginning sound. It's not C. Okay, very good. Okay, what's the letter? What's the sound? Okay, put it down. Okay, now we're going to show another picture. Marco, look at yours, please. Okay, so which is the beginning sound we hear?
Ew.
What?
Ew.
Okay, so Eric says am. Okay, what sound does our am make? Okay, what picture is this of?
Crab.
What sound does crab make? Okay, so Eric, it is not am, it is what? C. What sound is it?
C.
What sound? Okay, I need you to sit correctly.
About the water cycle. You guys gave me some things that you know about water cycles, but let's talk about the definition of the water cycle. So talk to your partner. What should we write as the definition of the water cycle?
Let me talk to you.
All right, I'm going to give you 5 seconds. I need the oldest person in your group to speak out for you. Five, 4, 3, 1. All right, oldest person, I need you to stand up. All right, here we go. Anna's group. I need everybody to listen to Anna's group. Anna's group. What do you think that we should write as our definition for the water cycle?
Water cycle is when the water is evaporating when it's
Okay. Is there something shorter? Do you agree with her definition? Hey, Jesus, you agree with her. Why do you agree with her?
she's saying exactly what the definition is. Like the sun is evaporating it and then it's taking it up and then transforming it up and then making it rain and then starts all over.
Okay. That group over there, Ayana's group. What do you think? How is there a possible way that we can condense that, make it smaller? Because that's a lot to put in that definition, I think. Ayana,
I agree.
you agree with, okay, so what would we put for the water cycle as our definition then?
The process.
I like the word process. Why do I like the word process, Isaac?
Because it's rotating.
It's rotating. It's happening all the time. I like the word process, okay? Good job, Ayana. Process of what?
Which changes into liquid to gas.
Okay, changes liquid to a gas, okay. Clarence.
Processing water in different ways.
Processing water in different ways, okay. Natalie, what do you think?
Water moves from Earth's surface.
Water moving from the Earth's surface. Okay, so I need you to go back to your group, and I want you to write me a short definition using the process. I like the word process that you guys come in. So as your group, go back to your group and use the word process for our definition.
I think
The process in which water rotates around it.
All right, now I need you, rock, paper, scissors, leader for your group. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Colin, you guys
The process of water turning into gas.
process of water turning into gas, okay? Water turning into gas. Ayana.
The process.
Okay, I'm coming back to you. Xavier.
The process in which the water rotates in its cycle.
Water.
The process in water atmosphere.
Water and atmosphere.
Yeah, and moves it back again.
Atmosphere. Moves back in. I need you to, I need this group to confer with this group and come up with one definition, and that group get together and confer. I need you to talk it out and find out how many you can find all this. So just one. One sentence, or one blur.
You just let it out.
Just blur it out.
The process in which water rotates in its cycle, turning into gas. Right there.
5. Two, one. Show me what you know. Here we go. Hold on. Let me pick a leader. The leader will be the person whose first name starts with the letter A. Alright, alright. Stay with your group. Stay with your group. Stay with your group. Sit down, please. You guys come to the front. Sit right here. All eyes on me. Group right here, there's two leaders. There's Anna and Ayana. Everybody else needs to sit down. Here you go. Anna. Anna's group. There was a lot of conversation here. So, Anna's group, what did you guys decide? How did you guys decide to combine all that to give us this definition of the water cycle? Or did you want to change something, or did you want to add something? What did you guys decide?
We decided to the water cycle is the process in which water turns.
Thank you for allowing us to come to your classroom and record you. Thank you for allowing us in your little comfort zone. So I just want to ask you a few questions as we reflect upon your experience with MRSs so far.
Okay.
So first, how did you feel about MRSs at the beginning of this school year?
I struggled a lot with MRSs, but I went to a colleague's classroom and I saw that in her classroom MRSs really flowed. So I had to consciously make an effort into finding the MRSs that would work for me in my classroom. So it kind of took a lot of work because I didn't want to depend on the MRS cards because I was used to that. So I had to find a way to make sure that my kids were learning and that we were all benefiting from MRSing.
Okay, so now that you have tried MRSs in the classroom, what benefits do you see your students gaining from using MRSs in the classroom?
A lot of my students struggled because they weren't able to express themselves. I teach writing and science, and so I need to make sure that they're understanding the vocabulary and they're understanding what I'm teaching them. So now I use MRSs where they have to agree or disagree, and they have to explain to me and the other kids on why they're agreeing. They also have time to do a lot of group or turn around and talk, which helps them understand somebody else's point of view, or at least how they see it, or what they're actually learning from each other. So I think that the vocabulary, the exchange is important, and also how they're able to communicate with one another, and how they're comfortable talking about different things in the class.
Okay, and how would you say that your students' performance Is it increasing, or are they regressing just based off using these MRS strategies?
My low students are actually doing better than some of my high kids because they're able to talk about it and actually put it on paper. So we're going from the concrete to the abstract. So they're able to not only being able to communicate with each other, but actually answer it on tests and tasks that they're doing. So they're able to tell them, oh, okay, this is why I think this is wrong. So I think that they're gaining knowledge that they didn't have the ability to do in previous years.
So would you say that you would be willing to continue using MRSs now that you have sort of eased your way into them?
I really do. I think that the MRSs that I've chosen work well for my class because I teach writing and science, and it's really hard for me to find MRSs using the boards. But when it's turning and talking and agreeing or disagreeing, they're able to use the same vocabulary that I use in class and explain it to each other, which helps them all gain the same knowledge and skills.
All right. Well, thank you, Ms. Maria, for your participation in this.
Thank you very much.